Nothing. The brand launched by OnePlus's co-founder Carl Pei has been trying to think different and experiment with the design. First we saw the launch of Nothing Ear 1 and then we saw the launch of Nothing Phone 1. And now we have Nothing Ear Stick. These are truly wireless earbuds that are priced at ₹8499. Now I've been using these earbuds for over a week now, and in this video I will tell you my experience. Now straight up in the box you get a cute cylindrical charging case, and with that you also get a Type-C charging cord. Now this is a very tiny charging cord, but I think it's fine, it will do the work. Now if you talk about the design, I just love how the Nothing Ear Stick looks. Now just look at them, they look like a lipstick and they have a very cute charging case. And the best part about these earbuds are that they come in a half-in-ear design. Now with that I mean you don't get ear tips. Now generally what happens with truly wireless earbuds, you get ear tips. But these Nothing Ear Stick come with half-in-ear design. Now initially I was very reluctant how these earbuds are going to turn out to be, because these are half-in earbuds design and I've never used half-in earbuds. But to my surprise, these earbuds are very comfortable to wear. They just sit right inside your ears and they are very light in weight. The best part about these earbuds, they are just so weightless. I could wear them all day long and I could just not feel that I'm wearing the earbuds. So I think that's one of the biggest factors that I really love the design and the form factor. And the best thing about these ear tips is they are so compact and easy to carry around. So if you travel a lot, you would love to flaunt around these cute charging case. It's just so comfortable and easy to carry around. Now if you take a look at the charging case, at the top you get a button right over here. Now if you long press it, you can easily connect these earbuds with your Android or iPhone device. Now I did not face any issues while connecting, and you can also download the Nothing X app on your phone so that you can control and manage the audio levels of the earbuds. Now the charging case looks quite sturdy and reliable, but the biggest drawback is they come in white in color. Now you can already see I just used it for like a week and they're already so dirty. So you can imagine if you use it for like 6 months or a year, these are going to turn and look very ugly. Now these earbuds get press controls. Now usually what happens with TWS, you get touch sensitive controls, but these come with press controls. And with that I mean you'll have to physically press the ear tip of these buds so that you can manage music or even take calls. Now these earbuds get press controls. Now usually what happens with TWS, you get touch sensitive controls, but these come with press controls. And with that I mean you'll have to physically press the ear tip of these buds so that you can manage music or even take calls. Besides these press controls, I really like the in-ear detection feature. Now with that, what happens if you are just playing the music or listening or taking calls and you want to cut the call or you don't want to listen to music anymore, you can just take out these earbuds from your ears and automatically the music will be stopped. Now usually what happens, these earbuds with the in detection feature, the battery is saved a lot. So I think that's a plus point. Usually what happens if you are listening to music, you would not want to maybe just take your phone and pause the music. You can simply just take out your earbuds and keep them back in the charging case. If you want to feel the force. Talking about the sound quality. Okay, so first things first, you don't get active noise cancellation or ANC. Now since these earbuds are half-in-ear designed earbuds, you won't get the ANC feature. Now usually the TWS priced under rupees 9,000 or 10,000, you can easily get the ANC, but you won't get it. So if you are looking for ear tips or ANC feature, then don't look for Nothing Ear Stick. I listen to different genres of music like Punjabi, Hindi, English, and I like the deep bass and clear sound. But when I hear the music at the maximum volume, then the audio gets distorted and the vocals aren't that clear. At good normal volume, the sound quality is great, it justifies the price, but the bass could have been better at high volumes. but overall I like how it sounds. Now even with the calls, the audio was actually great. The receiver could clear the audio very clearly and I didn't face any issues while managing my calls or taking my calls. When it comes to battery, ear sticks are excellent. I used them for a week and trust me, I did not have to charge it, and the only time I charged it is when I used it extensively for good 6 to 7 hours a day. If you use extensively, these earbuds can easily last 3-4 days, but with normal usage they can easily last like 6 to 7 days. I love how easily they can charge, and with the charging case the battery actually lasts really long. For connectivity, you can download the Nothing X app on Android or iPhone, but since this app is currently not available on the App Store, I could not try it on my iPhone, but I tried it on my Android device. Now with the app, you can change control settings, manage audio and even enable gaming mode. Now comes the verdict. Should you buy the Nothing ear stick at ₹8499? Well, I love the battery, I love the design and how they sound. But you should only buy the Nothing ear stick if you like the half in-ear design and if you want the press controls, and you are fine if you don't get the ANC feature. And if you're fine with all of this, then Nothing ear stick are really great for the price, and if you can get in maybe discount at around like 4,000 or 5,000, then they're awesome. You should definitely get them. I hope you like this video. If you have any questions regarding Nothing ear stick, then do drop them in the comments below. I'll catch up with you in the next video with more such cool tech videos.